Procedure for Survey Works, a guide for new engineers and survey learners. Introduction. Surveyor with equipment at a construction site. Welcome to our educational video on the procedure for Survey Works. In this guide, we'll walk you through the essential steps involved in surveying construction sites. Whether you're a new engineer or a surveying enthusiast, this video is designed to equip you with the fundamental knowledge you need. Purpose and scope. Why we survey. Surveying is like the bridge between the drawings on paper and the real world on the ground. Our purpose is to transfer the details from those drawings to the actual construction site. We'll look at location dimensions, levels, and more. The scope of surveying is vast. It includes everything from laying out buildings and foundations to ensuring pipeline alignments match the approved construction drawings. Reference and abbreviations. Setting the foundation. Every good survey starts with a solid foundation. We rely on references like GFC/AFC drawings, which stand for Good for Construction and Approved for Construction. These are our guides. And to make things more clear, we use abbreviations like GFC, AFC, and ITP. These abbreviations help us communicate efficiently in the field. Responsibilities and tools. Roles and equipment. Now, let's talk about who does what. The surveyor plays a vital role. They study site plans, coordinate with site engineers, and make sure all the survey instruments are in perfect working condition. Speaking of instruments, we use tools like the leading total station from Total Station and the auto level. These instruments help us measure distances and levels accurately. Types of survey machines. There are various types of survey machines commonly used in the field. Let's explore a few. Total station. Total stations are versatile instruments used for measuring angles and distances. They are commonly used in construction layout, land surveying, and mapping. Auto level. Auto levels are essential for determining accurate height and level differences. They are often used in land leveling and building construction. The survey procedure. Step-by-step guide. Here's where the action happens. Surveying is a systematic process, and we follow these steps. Clearing the site. We start by clearing the site of obstructions that shouldn't be there. Establishing grid pillars. We create reference points on the ground, which we call grid pillars. Temporary benchmarks. We set up temporary benchmarks, center lines, and levels as per our references. Surveys for activities. We carry out surveys for different construction activities, such as excavation and formwork. Control points. We establish control points for precise measurements, and we mark their coordinates. Record keeping. Throughout the process, we maintain records as per our inspection test plan, ITP. Records and attachments. Keeping a record. Records are like our memory. We keep records of permanent benchmarks, layout checks, and grid centerline and level checks. These records help us ensure accuracy. Narrator. The inspection test plan, or ITP, is our guide for what needs to be checked and recorded. Conclusion. Surveyor reviewing records. Wrapping up. To sum it up, precision and record keeping are the keys to successful surveying. Every detail matters. We encourage you to apply what you've learned in your surveying endeavors. It's a fascinating field that offers numerous opportunities. Get hands-on experience with leading equipment, like the leading Total Station brand name and Auto Level brand name. Final thoughts. Surveyor with a group of learners. Empowering future surveyors. Thank you for joining us on this educational journey. Surveying is a dynamic field that offers numerous opportunities. As you gain experience, you'll discover more about the types of machines and tools that suit your needs best. Remember, practice makes perfect. Get hands-on experience and explore further resources to enhance your surveying skills. Outro. Thank you for joining us in this educational journey. Surveying is a crucial aspect of construction, and we hope this video has provided you with valuable insights. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know. Happy surveying!